This is a story about life, about struggle, about success. Not just mine, but yours too. Because whether you see it now or not, we're all trading something every single day. Time, energy, choices. That's life. That's trading. I wasn't always here. I wasn't always the guy you see on your screen. I started out just like most people, uncertain, broke, doubting the system, doubting myself. But one thing kept me going, the belief that life's biggest opportunities aren't given, they're taken, and I took mine. See, trading isn't just about charts, candles, or currencies. It's about discipline, patience, and the courage to bet on yourself. It's about understanding that every loss is a lesson and every win is a stepping stone. It's about the grind, the sleepless nights, the early mornings, and that voice in your head telling you to keep going when the rest of the world says stop. But let me tell you something. This journey didn't start with success. It started with failure. More failures than I can count. I remember sitting in front of my screen, watching the markets eat me alive, thinking maybe this isn't for me. But deep down, I knew it wasn't about the markets. It was about me. My mindset, my choices, my willingness to adapt, to learn, and to grow. The truth is, trading is a mirror. It shows you who you really are. It forces you to face your fears, your doubts, and your limits. But it also shows you your potential if you're brave enough to see it. I'm here now because I refuse to quit, because I learned to see every loss as a stepping stone, every setback as a setup for a comeback. And if there's one thing I want you to take away from this, it's this. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to be persistent. Success isn't about getting it right all the time. It's about staying in the game long enough to win. This isn't just a stream. This is a movement. A space where we don't just talk about markets. We talk about life, about growth, about becoming the best version of yourself, not just as a trader, but as a person. Because the truth is, the charts don't care about you, but this community does. I do. And together, we're gonna rise. So, take a deep breath, clear your mind, and get ready. This is where traders are made. This is where dreams are built. And this is where your story begins. Let's get it.
All right, we're back. What's the deal, gang? Put 100 pips on buys, left the charts to play video games, and price dumps 400 pips. W. Perfect. You call buys in a bearish candle. We do that all the time. Love it. I love it. Can't get enough of it. Wow. Wow. We wow. Let's get into this breakdown here before the market dips without us. We are coming down off a resistance area. Let's look at the daily that closed bullish. Probably closed weaker bullish than it looks here because we had that 4-hour pullback, right? The 4-hour bearish. Coming down to these 4-hour levels. Let's mark these off. See what we can do here. Level there. Wow, interesting that we never got there. We are in a funky chop here. This is a 30 closure, which is really good. The problem is it's a 15 closure, and the 15, this wasn't like a 15 close below. And now another 15 closed back up above. No, this is just 15 gonna hold support here. This is quite interesting. All right, we got 2 minutes on here. Here's the deal. Let's see if we can hold here. If we can hold the hourly here as well, right, and the 30, which we are holding right now, I might think of I might look for a bottom wick entry here to come up, right? Because if we hold this, sorry, let me get my annotations up here. Right, if we hold this level, and if we're able to come down here for a bottom wick, I think eventually, right, we can come up and look like this here. And start holding this support. We got 90 seconds. We're holding that, but this is the 15 and the 4 hour down there. Sorry, 15. Yeah. 4 hour, 2 hour, 1 hour. It's a level everywhere. It's not gonna give us a chance to do that right now. Watch, it's gonna. We needed this to close bearish, respecting the 1 hour. Right now, if it closes bullish, it's a bit of a different ball game. A bullish closure would not respect the resistances here. Let's see how we close. This is a really big fuck you candle here. 470 pip fucking. If we do that, my stops will be these wicks to the left. I don't know if we're gonna do that here. I can't imagine this candle filling the wick down without having a top wick. So my logic is here. We're gonna have to come up for that top wick somewhere, right? And if we don't do it off the open, we're looking for a support. But if we come up to it with a top wick and fill the body of this candle, I'm not really looking for that buy. The level right here could just come up straight up from here. Yep, there it goes. I don't want that level. I think the steeper wick is in order. This didn't really hold anything, right? Oh, it did. It held that level across here to the left. Where did that bottom wick bottom out at? Right here. See how these wicks bottom out at the same point here? Looking for somewhere around this area. That bottom wick. Right? We're talking closures. The level there. The level there. So here. That bottom wick came nowhere near our levels. This isn't the level that we would utilize. That's not. So there's 15 minor bottom wick. $30 close bear. Job sucks. Not too clear. Doing some guesswork here. Can't trade till your payout passes. Payout process. Smart, boss man. What do you think about sells? They're not here yet. The first thing right now setting up is buys. I don't know how much I trust this chop. What will be your stop? Stops. Oh, people at the Zoom door. W, let me get the red carpet, brother. Yeah, I'm gonna avoid this. I don't like how this is printing. We want momentum? Yes, that's something we do want. We want structure. This isn't, there's no structure here. The barcode. Yeah, this can already came down, made a bottom wick, then flipped bullish, created that little top wick, and then came down again. Here it goes again. Yeah, I would not have gotten in this. This looks like a decent level here. Right here, yeah. Remember I said that first support should bring you up, but I really wanted where levels line up. So the only level I was thinking of is the 15, as we can see. Things really line up right there. Bottom look like this. We'd have decent stops here. Any entry here, like it is right now, would probably, it would give us 130 pip stop. Down here, it would have been really lovely. Look at that, 85 pips, 86 pips. We never see that stop. But you filled that body of the 4 hour now, I believe. I'm sorry, the hourly. Sorry, the 30. Yeah, the 30, that's what I meant. Fill that body now. Just chop. Just chop. Yeah, you could have taken this. What'd I get? That's a 100 pip candle. Right here, this little shit. 100 pips. Hey, gang, by the way, drop a like, sub to the channel, please. And share this stream. It'd be greatly appreciated. I need you guys. I need all the help I can get from you. Pretty much help can get. Boom, doing what we said it would off support. We just have like an unmatched understanding. Price action. Lion Cube keeps crashing? Because there's probably a woman behind the wheel, bro. Gotta be an army of feminists out there somewhere looking for me. You guys are happy I didn't take that position there either. Imagine I took it. Stream be over right now. We'd be saying, hey, another one in the books. Send the feminists my way, I'll convert them. Yeah, I got no doubt about that. Very much, my friend. Baby, 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 baby. Hear me out. 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 You do deserve equal pay. but you gotta do an equal job. Now go outside and change the tires. What up, Daniel? Man, now I'm kind of salty I didn't take that. Because this shit keeps running. I thought we just chop around and just kind of range around here. I wasn't expecting this to break out. Not after this candle. Not after this fuck you candle. I don't think this candle breaks out here. But I want to say this, though. Whatever direction we break out from this candle, right? Remember what Focus told us. Or taught us. Candle. I forgot what he called it, but like whenever you break out of that type of candle, that's the direction you're going to go. This range took accounts? Yeah, well, I think the fact that we were expecting buys here on this very candle off a bottom wick played out nicely here for over 200 pips. Fuck, man. Fuck. Yeah, our stop. What would our stop have been? 136. Yeah. Yeah, we'll get our POS missions. Oh, there he is. Penny in a college shirt. Is there a collar or that's headphones?
No, that's just a V-neck little T-shirt.
Oh, the headphones make it look like a collar, bro.
Like, I got plenty.
All right.
Got plenty. Packing them up for
Big
Puerto Rico.
and cheese. Like it.
Take it.
You
Get
look
ready
like
for
a
me.
promoter at a club. You look like you'd be standing at the door talking about, let him in. Let them in.
Now here's the trick though. If you're a promoter, you don't want to be at the door, because everybody sees you.
Everybody haggle you. Yo, can I get in? Get me to the front of the line. Let me skid in line.
The first thing you do is go handle the door. You walk away from the door as much as you can. All party. You don't want to be by the door. Somebody call you, got to go get them in. You hurry up and you get them in. You walk away.
You look like a promoter that's pissed off that he's at the door. Right now, that shirt took the jacket off. Why y'all not working?
Where's security at? What y'all doing around here?
Yeah, where's security? Security! I seen this dude today. He was online, a reel, and he was like trolling adults, and he started saying some ratchet shit to two dudes, and the guy was like, "What?" He was like, "Man, I'm gonna tell the police. I'm gonna call the police right over here. Go ahead, do something." Dude stopped walking. He's like, "Officer." He told him straight up. He's like, "Yo, you gay and you do something about it, I'm gonna call the police." He saw a cop. He started running, and he was like, "Officer." He just rage baiting people. People be so damn serious. Why did we not take this buy, chat? 265 pipperoos. Nobody believes in the workers' revolution? I didn't even know there was a war going on. I didn't even know we was revolutionizing. Damn, I gotta go get my pitchfork. I got my pitchforks, bro. Maybe a chainsaw. What are you doing? Here's the thinking right now. I see a level here, but I think, Chad, hear me out. I think we can utilize this, right, instead of that level, we can look at it like this and say that this was a support, right? And if we're back up above here, right, above this area, we're technically holding support. Look at these wicks right into there and bounce straight up. This area has been a support. Broke below right there, right? Held the 15, closed above, bound. Wick right off there, straight up. Held right here as it came down. Closed below, you drove down. I think we closed back up above. There's a chance. There's a chance this closes here. This is a 15. Would this be amazing if this was a 30 candle, gang? Because I think we can start a ride up here. My only issue is the last 15 of this hourly, and it's a 30 candle, which can really bring this back down and close us respecting the level. Really want this to be a higher time frame, not just a 15, but if that's the case, and the hourly closes like this, bruh, buy limit right there, 45.53. I don't care how far above it we close. That's gonna be the level we bounce up from. Holding, and these wicks to the left right here will be the stops. So our idea here will be will look like this. You're looking for that bottom wick entry. You're looking to keep stops right there. 122, 123. You're looking to yo, what the fuck is what the fuck? What the fuck? This is what we looking to do here. I'm not trying to see no drawdown, but this will be stops off the bottom wick, expecting this level that we're closing above now to act as a support. We're gonna need a top wick. We're ideally we get a bottom wick first here, because if we get a top wick first, there's a possibility that this is bringing us back in range on this next 15. And if it doesn't work out this next 15, we're gonna look for the same position off the next hourly. Off the next hour, my friend. Very much. Big candle. Very much. I gotta rewatch Strike to prep for a war, yeah. Nobody believes in the workers' revolution. Welcome to Duloc, such a happy town. Here we have some rules, let us lay them down. Please keep up off the grass. Stay in line, wipe your face. Duloc is a happy place. I watched Strike 1,000 too many times. Damn, where are you going? Uh-oh. Going somewhere. Yeah, this 4-hour wicks that it's filling. Look how many times it's attempted these wicks. You think it's going to reject again and come all the way back down? Fuck no. It's going to break through the wicks. Or maybe it'll reject right here, right at this area. Bum, 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 bum. Didn't do it here. I don't know. Bump it. Get rid of this. Holy, that 15 closed, no top wick. I did not see that. Where's the resistance? Where's the resistance here, gang? Yeah, there's nothing in here. This right here. Was right, bro. That was it right there. Called it. Yep. I don't think we would have gotten there if I said it. Set. Yeah, I would have had it at 28. This shit hit 27. I don't think it would have wicked us in. It might wick us in here now. This is crazy volume though. Like, I'm not taking no sells here off this volume to close out the hourly. We might be up here before the end of this candle. We're gonna watch this hourly through. There's 13 minutes. 13 minutes till I land. I'll be out. Three-minute chart. The John Starks chart. The AI chart, right? The Allen Iverson chart. Oh, that got there. That broke the high. Tapped it again. And then now it's coming down. So that would have definitely brought us in. Like, I don't like the choppy word. We can come right back into it. But looking at this 4 hour, man, there's absolutely no reason for it to come back down. We should be filling these wicks to the left. Reggie in the building. I'm guessing you took a bye. Bye. Close to early. It's so crazy because like I trade and I teach the fellas everything I know, or I try to pass down everything I know, but they still trade their own way, and I know exactly how the fuck they trade, because the goal isn't to teach you a strategy, it's to teach you how to build one, and most of the people here have built one around themselves, tailored to themselves. And I know how every single one of you trades. From Drizza to options to Reggie, Jay to Kenny, man. Nate, I can, man. Rewind it if you missed it. I fall on deaf ears sometimes, bro. That's interesting. So interesting. Looks knows how I trade. Bro, you peeping my terminal? I could if I want to. Wait, you with top one? Bro, where all the viewers gone? 155 in here. They usually show up after 10. But with the fact that we've caught over 800 pips in the last week, in the last 5-6 days, 6 trading days, we used to have 400 plus 2 months ago. Yeah, I think it was the fact that I took a vacation to Colombia for a week. So I was gone for a week, right? And then when I came back from vacation, there was a few streams I missed because I was just getting into the flow of things. Top one give you a real account? Yeah, after a bunch of payouts, they gave me a live account. But I'm pretty sure I'm going to breach this live account because I can't fucking trade on it. See, I can press sell limit. Yeah, get up. Please contact it, whatever it is. Wow, what a nice rejection. Again, correct about this level as well. We got the eye. How are you still not able to trade the live account? Well, he sent me a message today that they opened it up now. And I sent him a message saying, no, they didn't. And he has yet to reply to my, no, they didn't. So once they reply to my, no, they didn't, I'll let you know why, how, what, because I'm not who, what, where, when, what. All these positions were solid. This one down here, that one up there. I got email doing maintenance. Bro, I'm the #1 maintenance guy. Give me Pete's number. I don't know a Pete. Who's Pete? There is no Pete. Pita. So in a live, do you have to hot? What? Didn't you just say Pete? No. I did not. Replay it. Rewind it. Pita. Damn, I got told to rewind. Hell yeah, you were telling people to rewind. In live account, do you have to hit 4% target to get paid out? No. Oh, wait. Is that 4%? No, it's 3%, I think. Right?
Isn't it 6%?
His name Keith? No. In a live, you have to hit target. No. So I had 150K. 150K.
And you had to get,
right?
what, 9,000?
No, that was a funded. So I had 150K funded. 9,000 was 6%, right?
Right. 6%.
On 150K funded. When you go live after the payouts, right? I think 4 or 5 payouts, they give you 10% of your starting balance for the funded. So if it was 150, they gave me 15,000.
Right.
Now, on that, I can get paid every day as long as my withdrawal is more than $300, which would probably account to 2%, right? $300 is 2% of 15,000. Is my math wrong?
No.
Is math not mathing?
That's not in no way in the world. that's right. 15%.
How much is $300 of
15% on the
15,000?
goes to 100, like 5, 6,
I know
or
you
7.
guys are doing the math right now somewhere. One of you is in the chat, so somebody do, because I can just do it.
You
But
might be
like,
betting a 0.
carry the one. Remember, PEMDAS. 2%, bang, right? So my math is mathing. If 900 is 6%, then a third of 900 would be a third of 6%, which is 2%, right? That's just how I did it. So,
2%.
as long as your withdrawal is over 2% of that 15,000, you can withdraw anytime you want, right? All you got to do is make $300 and withdraw it. You technically take everyday payouts. Just make $300, $400, $500 every day and take a payout. Should we close the buys? Man, there's no financial advice here. And there is no we here. There's you. There's me. There's the rest of the chat. But you're in a buy. I'm not in a buy. So when you close one, I won't, because I'm not in one. So I don't know where you got in, what you got in off, based off what your targets were, right? But you didn't have a plan, close the fucking trade. Yeah, and then come up with a plan and then re-enter when you do have a plan. I don't care if you're up, down, break even. If you don't have a plan, close the fucking trade and figure out what the plan is. What a plan is. We're coming up on an hourly closure. We got 2.5 minutes here. Oh, my math ain't mathing here. 3.5 minutes here. Give me a sec. Give to me 1 second, please, very much. I was gonna say we close. Yeah, we could attempt this top wick here at this area. It's not closing above there, below there. I was looking for buys right here all day, right to have it right there. It didn't happen. Not all day, but all morning. I stayed through this. I wanted to see if we get some buys off that candle. It never broke that high. Now coming back to that same level. 10 seconds here. Closes above, it'll be a bit tough. We close above the white line. Ooh. What? No top wick? This is a massive candle to close with no top wick. Either it comes straight down from here, or we're gonna lift up. There's gonna be no top wick here. I mean, a big top wick. Also, the daily support, fill in the daily wick here. Target. If we can tap this yellow line, I'm thinking of having a sell stop right on the break here, on the break of the low. The idea here. Yeah, I like this. Tap that area. You see how we had this candle pull up here, close back below there, and then that wick tapped off that area to come down here. We didn't respect that area. We respected the most recent, but we also closed with no top wick. So break it at low takes us back below that range. Let's see if we can move down off of it. Because we technically should not re-break the low. And this is only going to last until we break these highs, these wicks to the left. This is what we want to tap. We want to tap into this yellow line. I think it should do it here. If we do that, I have a sell stop right here. Right now. I gotta pee really bad. We current candle stop because we technically should not break there. Let's see. Maybe a little bit higher than the current candle. Broke the low, didn't take us. We're not in yet. That's funny. Missed us by a pip so far. In there. Partials at 60. Let's have to send it. If it re-breaks highs, I'm gonna be out. I want to push down here. We broke the lows there. Stops to break even. We're up 20 pips. Push down. Push down. Push down. One more push. Stops to break even. I move stops to break even at 20 pips. Let's see. One more push. Go. Secure partials right there at 30. No. Let's get rid of this. Partial secured at 30. Stops to break even. Let's see if we can push down heavy here. All right. We're up 40 pips. Close full. 40. Boom. W. We've tapped into support. It can push back up from here to the top of the range, right where we've tapped into. W. Bam! Oh, you sold that beast? Yeah. We're at a support. This is the area where, hey, it might push up. It might not, but we're at a 50-50. Our job was to take that rebreak of the low to this level to the left if we want to see it right here. You see this level? We bounced off here last time and we came down to this area. So this area was the trade. Ha ha ha. Mwah, ha 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 ha. Oh, it's coming down further. Yeah, gang. I got a full closure at 38. Count. 38 pips. 38. No. Yep, 38 pips. W. When Wick said time to supercharge your accounts, he wasn't lying? Nah. Never lie. I might be wrong, but if I'm wrong, I truly believe it. So when I say something, I'm not lying. It's something that I truly believe in, and I might just be wrong. Sell stop? No, we already had a sell stop, and we already scored. We already scored. Way to put it. Wix, supercharge your account? No, actually, I actually bought up to that support just because my last... Just cut my last before I came here. Nice stuff, dude. This fucker's gonna move down here. I'm gonna be tight. Because remember last time I was like, imagine that's the move for the night, and from there on, we never come back. This might be one of those where from here on, we don't come back up there. If we just continue down. And we don't want that. We want some buy limits from down here, gang. Question a few things. I want some help from the current candle, right? We have a massive 1 hour bullish push closing with no top wick. We have created a top wick here. We just want some help from these candles. Let's say this 15 closes like it is right now. Never gets back down, all the way down. If it comes all the way back down here right now in one fell swoop, it looks to me like we might be faking out and it's coming back in a range. Or it's just reflipping the 4. But if we can close with no bottom wick, or if we can have the next candle kind of push up here, come back down, and close as a leg candle. And let's say the next 15 does this. Bruh. You know what we're doing off the following 30 candle, right before the last 30 of the 4 hour? We, my friends, are looking for this. Bottom wick entry right there. Stops right here. Looking to fill this area as partials and whatever. I'm guessing the wick here will be up to here, at which point, right, that's going to be target for our buys. the wick fill, the complete target, right? Which would fall in line with this level to the left. Now, if this fucker prints exactly like I just said, I'm gonna call it a stream right after that trade. Wait, hold on. Let me add that sell position. Win number 649. Pushing into that 900 pip for the in the last 7 days category. That sell was a bit smaller than yesterday's, so. The days of 10 pips are long gone. Days of catching 10 pips. Yeah. Damn. Roger Banks would not be able to survive in today's markets with 10 pips. Oh, my cricket playing friends. I love you very much, everybody. Cricket number 1. Woohoo! The only cricket I enjoy is made it to the Asian session at W. Yeah, that would be good, but I won't trade it. 2 minutes. Let's see if the charts want to play along with us. Maybe we come back up here, but that's a flip on the hourly, right? So we don't want that. That's why you live in king life in Dubai. Yeah, who the fuck wants it? It was the Russian accent, Wix, bro. You think this bad neighborhood? Remember that guy? Nah, fuck it. I'll just stay lost. I need directions. This bad neighborhood. You think this bad neighborhood? You don't stand nannies from Philippines? W. What, like the rights? The rights to the nannies? Savage. Yahoo! We are winner very much, my friend. Big W. Tell me I like Wix UI. Flexing, bro. Just flexing. We do a little bit of flexing. Yeah. Flex, trust me. Do this shit like this. Like, just fucking flex. You know why? Because it gets your blood flowing and the oxygen and the energy and just flex and make you feel. Squeeze the buys. Squeeze the buys. When I said squeeze the buys, I didn't mean fucking click the buy button. I see some of you Some of you in there fucking order filled. No, squeeze the fucking biceps. The buys. If you don't have any, fucking push them up and go like this so nobody can tell. Fuck it. There you go. Yeah, boy. Kenny, trust me, this shit gets the blood flowing. You be walking around, just around the house, just knocking the baby over and shit. Get out the way. My kitchen. Fucking field goal your ass back into the living room. This is my pantry. Fuck out the way, baby. I'll be barking back at the dog right after this. Got me weird. All right, look how we closed this shit. Looked like it just grabbed a whole bunch of orders, didn't go nowhere. Yeah, there's not much happening here right now, for now. Right now, you anyone know how to change the dude's voice on TradeForEx? What you want to say? Order filled. Are you enjoying the VWAP? What does it say? Oh yeah. What's that girl? Can I get a oh yeah? I seen her do this shit at the stadium. Someone's like, can you shut the fuck up? I'm trying to enjoy the game. The dude behind her turned around. The whole crowd was laughing. No, somebody bought me a keychain as a joke that did that noise, right? It's just a keychain. It's got a button and it does that, the whole thing. And I forgot that I had that. And my daughter grabbed it and fucking put it on her book bag. On her, like clipped it on her book bag handle. She told me it didn't go off in school. And I took it off, because I took it off this year. Not this year. I took it off before. But she told me it should never happen in school. But if it did, either the teacher too embarrassed to tell me, or she getting left back and we just don't know about it yet. I forbid, yo. I come with. They said we would. Like, that shit would be like a... Let me not start anything. Let me not even entertain it. I'm gonna need some bigger shoes, though. Like, some with heels. Because that motherfucker like got like 5 inches on me in terms of height. I've never seen tall packies. Like, I've never seen a 6'4" Punjabi, bro. Right? Like, you don't see like a 6'10" Japanese dude with red hair. That shit just don't happen. Like 6'5" Pakistani dudes, like, it's got to be a rarity, right? 3, 6, whatever. It can't be normal. All right, top wick here. Are we breaking the highs here? Because this 15 opened up with a top wick. And I just don't know if we are breaking the highs on the 1, or are we creating a top wick here for the 15 to flip bearish, then flip and fill this wick down. So, since the time frames are telling different stories at the moment, we will patiently wait. Hey, gold, you know you're my favorite metal. Patiently waiting on these candles to close on. Never seen a Japanese guy with big eyes? Oh, trust me. As soon as you walk out of the sushi place, they make fun of you. They go like this. Ha ha. Round-eyed fucker. Ha ha. You know how you used to be in school, a little kid, you'd be like this? They do the same thing. They just make fun of you. It's universal. Trolling is universal. One of the tallest men on earth is a farmer who happens to be a Punjabi. He's 8'4". 8 foot motherfucking 4. Why, bro? What is he doing? Fighting David? Whee! There it goes. There it blows. Like I said, it wouldn't make sense for the 4 hour to come up here. I mean, come back down here. It just makes sense for it to fill the wick, but we can still play the ranges. We play the levels. We still got our fucking W, right? You know why? Because a lot had to do with the candle prints here at our level. So we have a level. We understand what we need to tap before heading back down, which is what we waited for, right? That initial rebreak, come back down, break the high, grab that wick, come back down, rebreak the low to get our level. We closed at a support. We understood this support was in play here to the left, right? And it really was. Look at that wick. That it just matched to the T, right? This wick right here. So this support was in play. We picked the correct support at play. We picked the correct timing to come down there, the correct exit, understanding that the 4 hours should come up and fill those 4 hour wicks with the daily being bullish, right? And the way we got in there was we needed some help from the candles. No top wick here. This candle needed to open up with the top wick to our level. Didn't quite get there, so we couldn't take the wick entry, but it did get back. It did re-break that high and then come back, re-break the low. Because after filling that wick and re-breaking high, with the momentum should take it up. If it re-breaks the low, it needs to grab more orders from the next support, because whatever it tapped up here wasn't enough. That next support here, right? It bottomed out at the wick right here. So that's what we got out. And look what it's doing now. What we expected on the higher time frame. So we got help from the level, from the candles, from the relationship of the candles to each other, right? How the 9 p.m. candle closed and how the how the 8 p.m. candle closed, how the 9 p.m. candle opened, and our knowledge of price action. All of that we just utilized to get in, get out, be right, and while being in the wrong direction in terms of structure and bias, right? The bearish is bias? No. Stop was protecting 170 pips. They say you look scared. What? Oh, who, the Japanese? They say you look scared? To see them better. Man, I love Japanese culture. I was just watching Tanner's IG, Strong Trader, and man, he's in Japan right now, and wish I was there. My oldest is dying to go to Japan. Like, she wants she's a big anime, fucking Pokemon, and she's big on that. So you guys seen the murals I posted? She did like a 30-foot mural across the entire neighborhood, fucking driveway, floor, street, whatever, ground. And it was wild. It maybe even longer. It might have been like 50 feet, just big. I got pictures of it somewhere still. I posted it on the stories. I told her to draw this shit on our house. She's like, well, you know, we're not planning to stay here forever. I was like, fuck it, I'll chop down the wall and bring it with us to the next house. You be like Banksy. Winksy. You see what they did? Banksy did a mural on a wall in Ukraine during the war, when like war was just starting. Them fuckers chopped down the wall in the middle of the night, just the cutout of the wall, and stole that shit. Just one block. Just war-torn Ukraine. See, he finally revealed himself? No, I didn't. I did not. I had no idea he did. The only way to get in contact with him was like through his agent or through his agency, I think. He never, like, they protected his identity. Nobody knew what it is. But he confirmed it was him that did the mural in Ukraine, in where they were bombing. Fuckers, the next evening the shit was gone. They just cut it out at the wall. They took the whole wall lining, everything. Right? This shit's pushing P. Damn, remember we were talking about the BBLs right here? He's bottling this with it. Fire never gets back there. Bong. Yeah, that's, I don't even want to settle. Like, that's not enough pips. 750 pips. If this shit's not 4,000, I don't want nothing to do with it. The RR ain't there. Oh, shit. Scheiße. Gang. Everything we've done here so far is irrelevant to what we're going to do. So let's erase everything we got going on here. What we want, we are right now overextended with a cape, right? We are super overextended. And we need structure. This thing's going to need to print some structure. Right now, we don't have to be addicted to this market. Right? We can just patiently wait. I don't have need for coke and speed. Don't have the urge to binge and purge. I just love trading. Damn, $1.92 in here. Come on, gang. Share this stream. Let's get 300 in here. I'm trying to feel like Leonidas again. Yeah, we're waiting for some structure to print. Wherever this tops out, remember I always say this, wherever it tops out, we're going to retest that high. So we're going to wait for the support and retest that high. At the moment, right now, the way we're printing, there's no pancakes, there's no range being set up. Pancakes are typically a thing of levels and ranges, right? Right now, you don't have ranges. You have just this massive bullish rally happening. On the dot, B. On the dot. That been happening. Thought it just tapped it. No, that was there 5 minutes ago. Yeah. Now we wait. 46.15. That's where it rejected. You see that? 46.15 flat. Close in the building. What's the dilly? Deal. Okay. L what? You better have been trying to say Los. Yeah. I know. L. Don't even try to play it off like a leg handle. There's no leg handle anywhere here. You couldn't have been typing that either.
You don't even try it.
All right, 30 gonna close above you. It's already 9:30. Time's flying here. I think we can have more positions here today, but it's highly likely that might be the next 4-hour position. We'll see. We'll see. But I'm pretty confident if we don't get it here on stream, that we'll take this into the signal channel and we'll be able to get some more dubs before the night is up. We are just under 900 pips over the last 7 days. Almost 900 pips in profit. Thanks, it's Los. Everyone's doing well. My girl's 26 weeks pregnant today, and he's still healthy. Thank God. W.
There you go.
Yeah, that's all that matters. The high stakes table of life. You know what I mean?
There you go.
All these risks are arbitrary. Whatever we're doing here is completely trivial in relation to the game that Jay is playing over there. You know what that means?
Absolutely.
Get the damn bundle. Facts, yeah. What was that, Kenny?
I was just saying, absolutely. That's the real game right there.
The real risk. Talk about the signal channel I want to join. Signal channel's up over 900, almost 900 pips since last Sunday. And that's all I got to say about that. I'm like Forrest Gump walking up on stage. That's all I got to say about that. Yeah, it's not just the signal channel. The signal channel was what it was initially called, but since then it's kind of been built into private channels, private chats, private Zooms, private streams, Zoom access during public streams, so you have no delay experience, right? Delay-free experience. You get private giveaways, and of course the private signals, right? We do also the private Sunday weekly open the Sunday weekly market open stream, right?
He passes to Magic City, any strip club in Miami. No, what?
No, you can support Lola and Becky and Faith and Destiny on your own time.
Oh, I thought we.
No, that ain't part of it. That's not included.
But that's the bundle.
That's a different bundle, bro.
The BBL bundle.
That's the BBL bundle. Yeah, it's a different bundle. But yeah, all of that, right? All of that is included minus the BBL bundle. Right? Oh, get the bundle and you just get access to all of that. Can you get anything else but the bundle? No. The bundle is one for all, or all fit in one. All in one. The bundle is an all-in-one experience, and it's the only experience that's available here. I don't sell signals separately. You just get access to everything once you get the bundle. The thing is, it's cheaper than anybody's signal room alone, right? 97 bucks. And we did the math this morning. If you used your Top 1 Futures instant funded account, you would have paid for 2.5 years of the bundle, of the access to everything and of the private channels, all of that. Is the BBL bundle in the works for the future? So I'd like to register my interest. I mean, what do you want? A gift card to 11? What do you need? Do you need? I mean, I don't know where you are, but if you're on the East Coast, do not go to Jersey. The bundles don't work over there. You cannot use your shit at Gogorama or Delilah's Den. You cannot be in that motherfucker. But if you go into scores, if you go into, yeah, I think we could get like, I think we get some Groupons. We get some Groupons for the Signal channel, for the private community.
There you go. There you go.
He said, please, when that new bundle, when the BBL bundle, right, and the bundle 2.0 drops, please don't renew my membership for the bundle 1.0. I want to move up.
VIP status.
Gold's still blowing. No, the gold's just pushing back a little. It's pulling back for the 4-hour top wick. It's got to create a top wick, right? The next 4 hours got to have some range. Let's just see what happened. See what happened was. Oh shit, gang! Give me 1 sec. I gotta make a phone call. Hold on. BRB.
Anybody out there getting these buys?
Oh, Kenny holding it down. Thank you. Give me 1 second. I forgot. I did shopping right before the stream. I forgot all the groceries in the cart. I forgot to bring them in. Give me a sec.
Mm-hmm.
Probably melted ice cream in there. Damn it. AFK.
Nobody's in the buys.
What was your entry, Kenny? I know how you are.
45.78.
Damn.
I take small lot sizes, so yeah.
Yeah, I know. I don't do near as big as Wicks.
I'd like to see it come back up here in the 4,700 or close to it. Oh, Wicks gonna be at 10 with 10 lots. Easy. $9.39. Okay. Good job, Cookie. Get that money. W. I'm still in. Just push my stop loss up. Yeah, on to New York. That's what's up. Yeah, we'll be here. Boy, still pushing too. Let's see if I get this 4,700. Be funny. Oh, another 500 pips.
Very possible with how it's pushing right now.
Mm-hmm. Hell, it might get there before Wicks get back on. Shit. Let's see, that's 15-minute candle. The bottom wick first, for the most part. Well, I was closing in 12 minutes. Probably needs a top wick if it's going to continue up. So I ain't going to do too much more, I wouldn't think. Or it closes.
It may just create a really big bottom wick on the 15 and just go up, honestly.
Oh, I know. I just moved my stop loss down a little bit to give it some room. Because once it closes, it's going to have to give a wick. But I ain't going to give but so much room. You know what I mean?
Yeah. I mean, profit's profit.
Exactly. I can always get back in, but I want to give a little more wiggle room. I'm hoping to close above this line right here where we at. And then wick down and then cone up and finish up. I'm happy. Wow. That's 1,200 pips. But I was spacing. I was in before yeah, I jumped in for that sale. I ain't say nothing. I just waited it out. Y'all took your profits and I waited and went down
Now,
low. They came on back up.
now you waiting on yours.
You know what I'm saying? Y'all don't forget to drop a like, please, if you haven't. You know, yeah, I know y'all rocking with us. Don't even play, so go ahead and drop the like. Let's keep this thing rolling. Anybody else doing it like we doing it, especially at this time of night. So don't even play with it. You got a few minutes. Get yourself together. Get you a drink or bathroom run or smoke ready. Hopefully this market keep moving. We will make some more money before we get out of here.
Oh, holy shit. What happened here? Oh, we lost
What's that?
viewers. That's what happened. What a month. I stepped out and I see it pushed up past R1 already. Must be a Yamaha. Best of luck on to New York. Cookie's out. You're out, Cookie? Oh, Cookie already dipped. That was a while ago. It was 10 minutes ago. That's not bad. I use. Yeah, I missed quite a bit. What happened? Oh, wait. My headphones are off. I can't hear shit. My bad. I must have walked. I could have walked in the middle of a conversation right now. Hold on. My
No, we
headphones
just
are
hold
off.
it down. We just hold it down. That's all.
Yeah, I don't hear it. Now I hear you. You were mid conversation?
Yeah, we were.
No, not when you walked in. No.
I was like, I just walked in and started talking, but I didn't have my headphones on, so I don't know.
No, we just talking about the 4-hour closing up in a minute. Getting ready.
Damn, this fucking thing really pushed up, huh?
Yes, it did, sir.
1,400 pips since market opened. Here we go. 170. 350 for TP.
All right, Daniel. Catch you in the morning, hopefully.
Who's out? Who's out here right now? Yo, you out, bro? W. And he was holding it down. Yeah, let's see if we can get something off the 4-hour close or open. If not, I mean, I'll hang out for another, like, probably for the first half hour of the new 4-hour. I want to see if we could get something. I'll see if we start setting up. If not, I mean, we'll take it to tomorrow. We already got W today, but like another one. And like I said, this might take a bit longer to set up if it's just going to keep rallying up here. Right? If that's the case. I mean, we'll look for positions around, I don't know, 11:30, midnight, maybe closer to 1. But like I said, that's going to be in the signal channel if that happens. Give me one sec.
Market keep moving. I might get on Discord live.
I'll hop in there with you. I ain't got nothing to do the rest of the night.
Yeah. I mean, I'm going out of town tomorrow, but once he logs off, I'm gonna check in with the wife a little bit, see what's what. Then, like I said, if it's moving, I'll jump back on and we can get in and hang out.
I think it's just gonna keep going up for you.
I got a couple other accounts I can boost up. That's just sitting. I don't know how much I'm gonna get when I'm out of town, so family time plus out of town, you know, we'll see. But tonight, I might be able to do something.
I want to see how we open up here. I want to see if there's any potential, but if it doesn't do what we want, right? If it doesn't head down here, look to find the support here. Might be GG's. Wait. Doing what? What are you guys doing? Hop in where? I interrupted you again, probably. You said you were going to do a stream in Discord, right?
What's that now?
Somebody said, I'll hop in as well. What are they talking about? H-Bass
Oh.
said it.
Oh, Kenny and me said that possibly may hop in Discord later
Yes.
if he's able to.
Fuck yes. Run the Discord stream. I'll join you guys on my cell phone.
You might do that if his market's still moving.
Couldn't do that 30 years ago when you had the Zach Morris phone. Hey, I'll join you on my cell phone. Oh, it's like a racehorse. Hold on.
You join in the Discord, my man. The free Discord. Won't cost nothing. There you go, Reg. Get on, baby. We might do something tonight. It's a vibe. Tell them how many pips you usually make when we get on. I ain't gonna say it. I'm gonna let you say it. Where you go?
Who?
You.
Oh, what'd you say? Sorry, I was sitting here looking because there's 2 minutes left in the 15. I was seeing what.
No, I was saying when we get on, how many pips we usually get?
Too many sometimes. I'm sitting there like, man, should I stay or should I go?
You know we get a couple hundred.
Normally like 250, like around there.
Mm-hmm.
That's where I like to stay for a day at least. Even if this candle closes like this, it's still very likely to push up.
Yeah. I'm all on the vibe right now. I don't see nothing else. I ain't gonna say it's gonna push from here, but I ain't looking at no sales. Jay silly. Said 10 minis. Yeah, you can take 10 minis. I don't see why not. Jay know he trading with one album right now. You ready to go to bed?
I'm right here. Dude, I got 3 daughters. I went to grab the groceries from the car. One said, I want a sandwich. I got a rotisserie chicken. So I ripped it up into little pieces, made her a chicken sandwich, mayo and tomatoes and all that. Came back here. Wix 9.2 walks in. Says, I want a sandwich too. I just went in and made her a sandwich. I just came back here. And Wix 9.3 yelling from over there, what about me?
I love it.
So I just made dinner in the last 5 minutes. Gang, we are super overextended here. This is a 4-hour candle. Don't be surprised. Like, you can pump up, but don't be surprised if you don't get a bottom wick here. I mean, a top wick here. This thing can just ride down. We don't need a top wick. Look at the level. See the wick? On the dot with our level. Look what this wick did. Bang. Brought it all the way down. Did not need to push up any higher. We, at this moment, do not need to push up any higher. It could. It should. Eventually. But right now, if you're like, all right, buy limit, I see a nice support right there. Keep a stop below the wicks. Yeah, possible. But the probability is a bit lower when you're so overextended. And the 4-hour likes to do that once in a while. It likes to give you that, you know, that pretty closure and then not give you a top wick on the following candle. And the way I look at it, I say to myself, it's a 4-hour candle. And I see if we have rejected from where it closed. And if I ever see wicks like this right off the level, I say to myself, hey, this is a long candle, right? 4 hours is a long candle. It doesn't mean that we're going to flip now. We could spend the next 2 or 3 hours coming down here, finding support, and then coming up here on the 4-hour, it'll look like it should. But on the 1 hour, on the 30, it'll look like a break back below, a fake out, then a fake back out above, breakout, and a continuation up. So, I'm not expecting a limit here. I want actual supports to set up, and when they do, we can look for a bottom wick entry off the candle after support is made here to retest the highs. So we would need to honestly do something like this. Ah, wrong color. Wrong color. All right, we would need to do something like this. Back to these previous levels. Right, and then close back up above. Right, then we can look for a bottom wick entry. Right there. That's the bottom wick that I will take. Okay. But I'm gonna call it here, and I'm gonna wait for all of this to play out. Signal channel, stay locked in. This I want to get back. I'm gonna dip right now. I want to get back in time for this, so I'm gonna try to run as fast as possible. This is what we'll look for. All right. If you're part of the signal channel, look out for positions. If you're not, just see. You know. If you're not part of the signal channel, join up. But if you can't,
remember it. Write it down. Take a picture. I don't give a fuck.
Exactly. And you can rewind the stream as well. I'm going to run here, gang. Appreciate everyone showing up. I appreciate everyone, you know, everyone's input, especially Kenny, Jordan here tonight. I know Jay was here earlier. Reggie, everybody. Thank you so much. See you guys tomorrow morning. Signal channel, stay locked in. Zoom gang. Oh, by the way, gang, they're going to run a stream in our Discord. Join our Discord. It's free. Free 99. And you know, the first 50 spots, the first 100 spots, I think, will fill up the room. So join up. I will try to get in there once I'm back in the crib in about half hour. All right. I wasn't going to run, but I'm going to go. I'm going to go. Yeah. Good night, everybody. Congrats to everybody that got the W with us. And we're going to get some more hopefully later on tonight. And tomorrow, New York session is in full effect. And I'll see you guys 24 hours from now also for Asian session tomorrow. All right. Zoom gang. See you in the Discord.
Yes, sir.
Channel, stay locked in. Mods, thank you so much for helping me on the stream. Chat, love, and wisdom to you all. As for me, my time here is up, and we're up 900 in the last week. And just like that, another Asian session is in the book. folks. Don't overtrade. Don't overleverage. Don't get ahead of your trade. Really wait. If you think it's your setup, it's not. Wait an extra candle. That'll probably be your setup. My advice for you tonight. And wait for what I drew out to happen. Later.